Princess! The crystal star is falling!
Then we must save the kingdom. The magic was inside me. The magic was inside me all along.
Only kindness can control the crystal sky.
Long live Queen Lumi! Together, our light will never fade.
Welcome, family. It's Mimi here, and it's a Disney something. So today, I'm going to be showing you guys how I was able to do that Disney beautiful character, okay? Although I just did like 4 scenes because I wanted to use it to teach. I would have actually done 2, but I just fell in love, with the Disney story and everything. So I just decided to do 4. So today I'll be showing you guys how you can generate your Disney AI characters, how you can generate the image, how you can also transform your image to video, okay? So here on this my channel, we make realities through AI, okay? In the meantime, if you've not subscribed to this my channel, what are you waiting for? Please hit the subscription button. I always say this in every video I do. I might post a video one day and it might be something that will be useful for you. Maybe it's something that you've been searching for a very long time, but it's right there in front of you, okay? That's why you should subscribe, so that you get notification whenever I drop a video, okay? So I'm going to be teaching you, and mind you, it's free. The app I was able to use to generate that image is totally free, and it's a different app, is free. And also app I was able to use to also do the video is also free. It's something that you can just be doing every day, okay? When I say free, you don't actually need to subscribe, okay? And the sites I use to generate the video too, they're also generous, that they allow you to generate at least a reasonable amount of movies you want to generate, okay? And it's something that you can be doing every day. So instead of sitting idle, waiting for a miracle, waiting for groups to start their policies again, pondering around how you can actually subscribe to a channel, how you can actually subscribe to one of these AI apps before you start creating, okay? You can just use these free apps I always share on this my channel, okay, to start your channel or to start your story or whatever you want to begin with, okay? But first of all, I don't want to waste your time today, okay? I'll be going straight to the point today. So let us go and look at how I was able to make that Disney. So let's go.
So we go to ChatGPT. Hello ChatGPT, write me a 2D Disney cartoon similar to Frozen. I want mine to be an original and authentic content. Please, no copyright. I want the video very neat, high quality, eye-catchy and beautiful. Please, I want it in just 4 scenes. Arrange the prompt as well as dialogues, and it should be short. So this is my prompt, okay, and you can see it's already generated my story. The title is Lumia and the Crystal Sky. So let's check the story out, okay? You can see the scene 1, the glowing forest. You can see the image prompt and the video prompt, okay? You see it's well arranged. The image prompt is to generate the image. The video prompt is for video. There are some app, okay? There are some app that you can still put images and you put dialogue and you put your video prompt. Your video prompt is how you want your image to react, the action you want it to take. Okay, that's it. Since we already have our story, okay, let's move to the next part. So this is the app we'll be using to generate our image, Microsoft Copilot. Yes, this is the app. Okay, Microsoft Copilot. Make sure you log in with Chrome, okay, and create an account with them. Either you use your Gmail or you create an account with them, okay. This is how your interface will look like. You can see it has where you can add your image or files. You can see generate image and other features there. So we'll be clicking on generate image, okay. Minimize, copy, then paste our prompt. Our image is generating, okay, you can see an example, okay. That's how you're gonna do it. Okay, let's move to the next part. Copy, paste, generating, our results. Copy, paste, results. So let's move to the next part. Let's go and generate our videos, okay. You can see how stunning this image is. We'll be using Pivas AI, okay. So let's go and copy our prompts and dialog. You know, I already did the same before, but because of I wanted to teach you guys, that's why I'm redoing it. So I selected my image, okay, and I pasted my prompts. Then see it's generating.
Why does the forest call my name?
Because the sky chose you.
Why does the forest call my name?
Because the sky chose you.
We do the same thing in every sense, okay? Copy video and dialog. Paste, okay? Make sure you select your images. If they are in your gallery, you can select it from your gallery. Because I already did the video before, that's why it showed here. Paste, don't forget to log into their account. Use Chrome, okay? And that's our result.
Princess, the crystal star is falling!
Then we must save the kingdom!
Princess, the crystal star is falling!
Then we must save the kingdom!
Princess, the crystal star is falling!
Then we must save the kingdom!
Like you see, it wasn't even difficult. Like I always say in every video, once I'm done showing you guys how I was able to generate 1 or 2 videos, I always say if there is something you feel like you want to contribute, you can put it on the comment section. Or if there is something you want to ask or you're confused about, you can still put it on the comment section. We can all interact on the comment section, okay? So Just try this at home, okay? Try this at home and tell me how it came out for you, okay? See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.